Make a great choice today with the 2019 Ram 1500. When the Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right, the Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.